is the best. Kuna wengine wanapega hata mamilioni 100. Si kuna wengine huku hesabu wanapega hata mamilioni 20. We don't ask them. We do not ask them because we know kuna kanisa tunajuaga ni kukura. We know. Now you wako wale wako. I don't know what is wrong. We thought you are the most different. You know, to whom much is given, much is expected. I totally agree with nani? Kanyari, that Ben is one of the biggest, not even one of the biggest. Personally, I believe he's the bishop who preaches a lot of things that I reason. Unajua mimi vitu naonaga sinafaa kuhubiriwa na vitu mtu anafaa kuambiwa. I listen to him. Nidida thikiria mahujo thikagiria mabeni. So you expect too much. Then all of a sudden, nidroya Sabina, ukahoera rutha, unitafutie sijui ni appointment hata mimi niende hiyo State House. Niende huko atamini kure kogerio nawe nora aya gimena kita moria ya mahetwo ki nani ndingithura ni uri itanete kanya ngarigwa atiriri uyu nowe watwirire erire mapasta mange mabishofu aria mwambia guthii na kumutige. Do you remember people died 2 years ago, Bishop, because they were fighting Harambes in church? They fought so hard, they paid with their lives until the president suspended Harambes in church. Why do you pretend to forget? Was it bad that time and it is good today? Is this not what happened in 2022? Do you remember kila county ilikuanga na interdenomination prayers? Those ones walikuanga wanaenda wanachanga ma 10 million, ma 20 million. Do you remember the COVID money? Munakumbuka fenyisi mapesa zilietaga in the name of church, in the name of, you know, I'm just asking. It's fine. Nitroda gutoga nitroda no gaya gikurathimite ukire na indo niki, why you giving us out na hujia yake mura mutuheanaga niki tondu atumia acio ni mamwitikitie mwahanire ma radio station maria mamoragia nyina wa Jesu etagwo Maria kana Jusufu tuma ukuona ukuria ciringi ngiri niki mutuaga atumia yao. Why do you do that? I just had to ask those questions. I had to ask them. I'm sorry. Murakarite tanya uni jiguni ninyonete, you are very mad. Mumenikasirikia, but you know what? When I'm told to choose even between church and the lives of those young men and women, hey, I don't know. Mr. Waisahau hiyo kitu. These people killed 8 people outside parliament because of fighting a finance bill, because of saying reject Harambes in church. You stood there. One of them was your follower. You buried him na Gen Zs. Alipigwa akiuzia wenzake mask wakikumbuka wenzao ambao walikufa. And then you come and tell me Mushuthi, please. I'm sorry. Besha ishishi besha. Gayo turamo. Aikoro gainya turaga. Nikamutwara hadu holu muno. Yeah. Ugono mwahenirio, and this is exactly what you are returning back to. Exactly. Na saa hiyo kidogo Githaiga kikuja hapa aseme wanasiasa waingilia Gen Z movement sisi kwa sisi, all of a sudden inakuwa it is a very big topic. Oh, we have withdrawn. You can only withdraw if you had an agenda, which now is coming out. Please, finally. Nilikuwa gano mbaya sana. Githaiga ni mbaya sana. Yaya na hapana. We have politicians who support people without even having a political agenda, don't we? But I had seen it. Niliona. And I thank God. I have no regret because of saying it that time. Oh. And I have no regret because of asking questions this time. Oh. And we will keep on reminding each other. We will keep on putting those sermons. Because you see, I will keep on repeating them. We will keep on talking about these things. Because how comes 1 year ago you found it wrong? Na ukakuta na ukasema visuri kwa pulpit ya kwamba wahubiri ambao wanaenda kwa wanasiasa wanafanya vibaya, na ukasema watu watawa reject because ya kuenda kwa wanasiasa, and 1 year later you think it is good for you to go to those wanasiasa and it is okay, and now that one, and now people should follow you and it is right because now it is my time to eat. That was their time to eat. Probably it is true you did not get an invite And if you don't get an invite and you come preach against them because you did not get an invite, na saizi wamekuja, you are begging to get an invite, then that's hypocrisy. That's Pharisee. I'm sorry, Bishop, there is a reason why Jesus alitandika watu kwa sababu ya kufanya biashara kwa kanisa, kwa nyumba ya babake. There is a reason. I will not hide hypocrisy. Mimi sitafanya hivyo. There is a very good reason. Yesu alichukua kiboko, kulikuwa na ukora, kulikuwa unaona kabisa ni ukora, na akatandika watu. There was a reason. I'm sorry. There is. Hey. Ndaugite. We move on. We move on. Hiyo imenitoka. But anyway, Aisha na nada hujio sade no wega una hivi nitoka hujia. You know, tuhuje. Mimi nilisema ukikuja kwa platform ya kuhujia mimi sitaweza kubishana na mahujio. Lakini tukikuja hapa wa siasa pia tupiganie kwa tuongee kisiasa, tumenye tukikora kwa nado. We cannot be having people you waking up and telling us to say amen, and even praying and telling us you're praying with us at night, and you're telling us that we believe that they did wrong, and then in the morning you come and tell us no, we believe they did right. No, it's better if wale wanaamkaga wanajua, na wale tunajua kabisa huyu na besa matwana na gao. There are those ones we know and we don't even ask them and we don't even question them. There are those who just agree, okay. Anakulia. Let me be honest. Ni tuiko kanitha kale kedete besa muno ni mukoi. Sijui kama inakuwa kwa public knowledge. Mnaijua? Ebu andikeni hapo waseme niliwataja. For instance, there are those who we know. They have money. Money so much. But sasa you na pretend uko na, why? Just go for it then. Yeah? Ngoro yakwa nirake na riu ndakarirwo ku na kanyagwa na wasirika. Mimi sina ubaya, hata mimi ni msirika, na mimi nakuaga na swali ya kuuliza. Nilikuwa na swali nauliza tu. No, already dali, I am not used to keeping quiet. I'm sorry. Nidi kuhula ruhi atili ya kurerwo nigikwerwo nigihule ruhi niguyuli atili lili uturalwa naku, which is right, because honestly one is right, one is wrong. Yeah, sani sonesi ya kuire na tutiagirwo ni kurekaga. Baba. Bateria andu magana meri shana nini shali na future shana nini tondu akuruira. You know, they were fighting these taxes. They were fighting increment of taxes. The same taxes is being taken and given to you, and you're saying that it is being given to me to pay school fees for other kids. And you know, students wa university wanakaa nyumbani miezi 3 kwa sababu watoto wao hawajalipwa school fees. You're not doing the right thing. You are not. No, you are not. Let us be honest to each other. You are not. Tutiekirea. You nani to me is making a lot of sense nowadays. Adomewira eta what ya mutumio sio America sirwa ukrad adomewira. I think anani make a lot of sense. I'm sorry to say. Soke to henyo na ajiko hali ya belena. Hena kaudu bisofu ni wagwithia muno. Ona nini ujiraga ndakuguithia, you tell me. Ukajira Githaiga hapo top shotters imepungua. You tell, ndo na waje kila ka video call muno. Bishop Nduka jokelia ti Facebook majokelia kireini. Nirudishie kwa kanisa huko sitaweza kurudisha. Lakini ukirudishia kwa Facebook kila kauli kusokia mwana witu. Maduka aje kelele kau. Ameniwekea kitu kana kaka hipopotama. But anyway, nikuuliza tumeuliza maswali. Yeah. Kulia shule tiolu. Na wega ikorio. Uko bita sana wewe. Niko bita na ukweli. People died fighting for these taxes. Young people died fighting for these taxes. You cannot tell us that nitabia wabunge warete pesa kwa kanisa yangu, nilipie watoto wadigwa pesa ambayo hata hawapati kwa mshahara. Hiyo ni wizi. Kama hiyo itakuwa affect, pole mam. I will tell you the truth. I can't know that with matuini. Learn to accept the truth. Matuini kule theory daga korokiria. Hure hata kuwa ati maraika wa kuambia unaingia mawigi. This life, everybody has a life. You are only living for 50 to 60 to 70 to 80 or whatever years God has planned for. Kaa ukijua ukweli na ujiambie ukweli in as much as mwingine anakuhubiria is okay. But please also convince yourself what is right and what is wrong. I mean, sasa unataka ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, Adumewira. Occupy JCM. What for? No, you cannot occupy. You cannot even reject. Emily, you cannot even reject. Unajua mimi nasema nini? It is good. Calling out does not mean you reject. No, don't confuse that. Nobody has told anybody to reject or occupy or do anything. No. We are not fighting. Who is fighting? We're just calling out people. The way we call out others. Just the way we call out. Nobody is occupying, nobody is rejecting. Just calling out. Just that. Kura mundu ni turona maundu matari mega toria tugaga atiriri mundu ekawega keroni ekawega na hindi ria ora confuse keroni ora confuse according to me. That does not mean that I am right. Kuna mwingine ana feel they did good, akona right ya kukuja live na aseme they did good and blah blah blah. That everybody, that's what we call expression. That is what we call freedom of expression. Githaiga has all the rights of saying what he thinks about what happened, and then you also have the right of saying what you think. That is it, whether you like it or not. Okay.